Today, let's solve an interesting question. Comparing fractions. We'll find out which is greater between 2/5 and 1/4. To solve this question, we first need to understand fractions well. A fraction represents a part of a whole. In the case of 2/5, we have the number 2 in the numerator and the number 5 in the denominator. This means we are dividing something into 5 equal parts and taking 2 of those parts. In 1/4, we have the number 1 in the numerator and the number 4 in the denominator. This means we are dividing something into 4 equal parts and taking 1 of those parts. The most precise way to compare fractions is by making the denominators the same. That way, we can directly compare the numerators. Let's do that. First, we find the least common multiple of the denominators 5 and 4. That number is 20. Now let's convert each fraction to have the denominator 20. Starting with 2/5, to convert, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. So, 2 times 4 equals 8, and 5 times 4 equals 20. Therefore, 2/5 equals 8/20. Let's now convert 1/4. We multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5. So, 1 times 5 equals 5, and 4 times 5 equals 20. Therefore, 1/4 equals 5/20. Now that both fractions have the same denominator, we can compare them directly. We have 8/20 and 5/20. Since 8 is greater than 5, we can conclude that 2/5 is greater than 1/4. This is the meticulous way to compare fractions. It is a detailed and careful process, but it is the best way to ensure our comparison is correct.